you can really be a part of changing one of the core focus points for humanity, which is where do we get the materials to clothe ourselves from? The work that we're doing here, we're not just making clothes, we're really creating infrastructure. We're creating a world that currently doesn't exist. As head of production, my day-to-day mainly looks like speaking to customers around the world, people that are looking to use Cycora within their supply chains. We essentially figure out how to get these products into the hands of our customers. How I've changed working at Ambercycle is really gaining confidence to solve problems that earlier would have seemed impossible. And I still think that's the culture that we have today. With being a few dozen employees, cracking away at one of humanity's biggest problems, it's all in your hands, really. You can take this problem, devise a solution, fail at it, fail again, but eventually if you end up in the right place, we're in a better place than we started.